Your Lincoln vehicle features voice assistance, which allows you to use Google Assistant hands-free to help you control your information, climate controls, and many more features via voice. So you can focus on keeping your eyes up and looking out on the road ahead. Your selected voice assistant can assist with a variety of features such as select your favorite media, make a phone call, and route to a destination in your Lincoln vehicle. So let's take a closer look at Google Assistant. For use of all features, a personalized experience, and the best performance, ensure your phone is paired. You will need to have your Google account linked to the vehicle and share your contacts for your phone for the best experience. You will then be able to say, "Hey Google, call mom."
Okay, calling mom.
Google Assistant is the default voice assistant in your vehicle, so if you will be using Google Assistant, you don't need to do anything else. However, you will want to turn on the voice setting and say the wake word to speak to Google Assistant hands-free. You also have the option of using the steering wheel button to activate Google Assistant. Google Assistant allows you to use your voice to perform everyday tasks such as calling and texting, finding a destination, selecting your preferred media, smart home control, and more, including core vehicle functions like climate control.
Okay, changing the temperature to 68 degrees.
If you prefer, you can also talk to Siri on your iPhone through Apple CarPlay.
For Apple CarPlay, press the Apps button on the touchscreen, then Settings, press Bluetooth, find your device in the list, and press Apple CarPlay to enable or disable it. The Siri voice assistant will be accessible via a long press of the voice assistant button on the right-hand side of the steering wheel controls. This is differentiated from a short press to access the embedded Google Assistant. You do not need to set any of these to default. They simply are available if Apple CarPlay or Android Auto are active. Some vehicle features like climate control may not work with phone-based voice assistants. Voice assistants allow you to effortlessly stay connected to your life while on the road. Thanks for watching.